Now we commence again in ballroom hold with the gent facing diagonal to the wall. We commence with a left foot close change, your basic step, into a natural spin turn with a turning lock. But it's easier to think of this as a lock that's moving backwards. So gentleman on his left, lady on her right, we're dancing forward, side, close. Turn, side, close, spin, 2, 3. Now this is our turning lock, but as we said, think of it as a backward lock and a little turn at the end to face diag wall. So gentleman's back on his right, step, cross, step to the side, while the lady dances left foot forward, cross, forward side. 1 and 2, 3. We're now going into a natural hesitation. The gentleman will dance half of the natural turn going outside on the lady's right side, forward side close, and then back side brush closing without weight. Lady is back on her left foot. Turn, side, close, turn, side, brush. From here now we're dancing a reverse turn, which is turning to the left. The gentleman commences on his left foot and he dances forward side close, back side close. Lady will dance back side close, forward side close. He's on his left, she's on her right, and turn, side, close, turn, side, close. So we're now going to move on to a whisk and a wing. Now the whisk is gentleman left foot forward, lady right foot back, and then we both step to the side and cross behind, which has put us into promenade position. Whisk, 2, 3. The wing is 3 steps forward for the lady, moving around the gentleman, going from his right side to his left side. The gentleman will step forward on his right foot and draw his left foot towards his right foot for 2 counts. 1, 2, 3. We're now going to dance into a telemark turn, which is a turn to the left, and the lady dances what we know as a heel turn. The man is on his left foot and he will dance forward side forward, and we'll end in promenade position. Turn, 2, 3. So we're now going to dance a hover, and we're both coming through the middle, dancing forward, forward, replace. Gentleman's on his right, lady's on her left. Forward, forward, replace. We're now going to dance into a contra check. Gentleman left foot forward, lady right foot back. The gent will then replace and step to the side on his left foot, and he will end facing diag wall. Check, replace to the side. Now we're going into a natural turn, which is gentleman right foot forward outside the lady, forward side close to back the line. Forward, side, close. We now dance into a fall away whisk. Gentleman is going very small steps here because the lady needs to get round him. So gentleman is backside cross behind, turning quite strongly to his right. Lady is forward side cross behind, and we'll end in promenade position. Step, side, cross. We're now going to dance a little closed finish, forward side close for both lady and gent, and the gentleman will turn into his left to square up with his lady. Step, side, close. Let's try and all dance it right the way through. So, gentleman left, lady right, we've got the basic 2, 3, half a natural turn into your spin and your lock step. Half a natural turn into your hesitation and your reverse turn. 4, 5, 6. The whisk into the wing, turn to promenade, through the middle for the hover, into the check, the half a natural turn, into the little whisk and forward side close.